coconut milk, woo. Bowls to put it in the freezer and taste test it. 1 cup for measuring lemon juice, a spatula, 1 teaspoon, a knife, a bowl, a blender that goes to this blending machine with the lid, 2 spoons to test it in case this thing is not so sweet. So we have 2, but we're just gonna do 1 at first and see if it's sweet or if it's not sweet. If it isn't, we're gonna put the second one in. So let's get started. We need 2 cups of frozen pineapple. Whoa. I'm actually pretty good at that. They're sparkly. Okay, that's heavy. Need 1 more cup, so that's 2 cups. Extras. The next ingredient is coconut milk, or your choice, right, Grandma?
Right, milk of your choice.
And we need 1/4 of coconut milk. This. Grandma, you wanna help?
Thank you.
It's getting messy. Your counter is already messy. And remember, this is the Dole Whip recipe. We're just gonna use a couple pinches of salt. Okay. Next, we need a packet of stevia. Woo! So the last ingredient is lemon juice, and it is 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and my grandma's gonna do it so I don't spill it everywhere.
And I think it was 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. There we go.
And now we're gonna put the lid on and push it in. Now to start this blending machine. And this might be loud, so cover your ears. You're gonna hear it from this video and from your kitchen if you're making it.
Serafina, would you like to stir it a little?
Sure.
Just make sure it's blending.
It's turning yellow. And kind of whitish. Now that's just all blended, we are going to take this off, and I'm gonna try some to see if it needs some more stevia. If it doesn't need some more stevia, then you're gonna know we need 2 packets. So I'm gonna take it off.
Serafina, okay, good girl. Sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna try some.
What do you think, Serafina?
It's good.
Can I have a taste?
Yeah, here's a spoon, a teaspoon.
Thank you. So this is Serafina's Dole Whip.
It's part of Grandma's recipes.
Oh, it's outstanding.
Mm-hmm.
It is outstanding.
I can try. It's really good. It's sweet.
I don't think it needs more stevia, do you?
No, I'm just gonna get 1 more taste here.
Okay. And I like it with the coconut milk, don't you?
Yeah, you wanna have another?
Okay. It is really good.
Yeah.
I am so happy we made this. Now we have to put this in the freezer for about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So would you like to put that into that bowl that I have out for you?
Mm-hmm.
You can use the spatula. Oops, it's dripping. Here you go. Serafina,
Yeah.
while you're doing that, do you remember how many servings this is supposed to make?
3.
3 servings. Okay, so we could actually have another tester. right?
I don't know who it could be.
Do you need help?
Soon I will.
My turn?
Yep. Now it's my grandma's turn because I was about to drop that on the floor. It's so heavy. How are you doing there, Grandma?
There's a little bit stuck at the bottom. That's not easy to get. Okay, so I'm going to put this into the freezer in 20 minutes.
So, Grandma, how much percent is it?
Oh, so easy to tell how many percent it is. 110. It was that good. Thank you, Serafina, for
You're welcome.
asking me to help you.
Yeah, I think she's a better taste tester than Luca, so don't tell Luca. I'm fighting him forever. I'm gonna push him out if he doesn't get out.
What's he?
He said 0 once. 0. I'm very mad at him. Thank you guys so much for watching Serafina Baker. If you did, smash that thumb up, drop to my channel, and give me some likes, thumbs up. I love baking with my grandma.
Aw, thank you. Mwah.
And so, goodbye. See you next time.
Okay, what are you going to do next? Now what are we going to do? Do you think we're supposed to measure the pineapple and put the pineapple in the blender?
Yeah, we need 2 cups.
2 cups.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm eating.
But-
Even though it's not lunchtime.
But you're not done working yet.
Oh, thank you for helping me.
Cut.